In a previous video, we talked about and unboxed the Bluetti Fridge Power Station. Frankly, it's a personal favorite of mine. We have all kinds of power stations, but designing one specifically for the fridge and freezers is genius. And I want to talk about why it's vital for your home. Let's dive into it. When the grid fails and the power vanishes from our homes, there are several issues plaguing our minds. Do we have proper warmth, enough water, and do we have enough food? Now, most people would keep their focus on the dry and canned foods, stock up on it from floor to ceiling. But let's not forget, you have a whole fridge and freezer with food, and all that will go to waste if the power fails. And that can be up to $1,000 down the drain in a matter of hours. That fast for up to half your food to be gone. Extra days of food wasted. And fridges do not just hold food. Medicines, baby food, and insulin are all but a few important items that need the cold temperature. So point one, the Bluetti Fridge Power Station can save you thousands in food. So you're probably thinking, hey, I already have a power station. Why do I need the Bluetti Fridge Power Station too? Yeah, that's valid. But power stations are used for a lot of other things. Phones, radios, fans, heaters, flashlights, charging equipment, and then add your fridge on top of all that. Ouch, your poor power station. It's not going to last long that way. And we run into more problems with using a regular power station too. Let's say you're at work, or on a trip, or heck, you're even asleep when the power goes out. Using other power stations requires setting it up, which wastes a lot of time. Valuable time that inches your food closer to spoiling, and that's if you can get home in time. The Bluetti Fridge Power Station, though, is a better solution. You're at work, out of the house, or sleeping, and the power goes out, and it's all safe. No rushing needed from you, thanks to its true UPS automatic switching. We're out grocery shopping, and I just got notification the power went out at home. But no worries, our fridge power's got this, and we can continue shopping with a peace of mind. This unit is set up so when the power goes out, it transfers in only 10 milliseconds over to the fridge power to keep your fridge and freezers active. Fridges and freezers, they aren't the only thing that needs power. A fridge power is a solar generator. It can power most of your devices. We're a family of filmmakers, so if the power goes out, we still have to work. Then, thanks to the handy-dandy Bluetti app, it will send a notification to your phone, reassuring you that the UPS is working smoothly. That means 24/7 unattended protection. That alone and the peace of mind it provides is worth every penny. Now we're back at the computer, and we're going to put it really to the test. We have the computer here plugged into Bluetti, and we're going to simulate a real-life situation where the power's cut out and the UPS takes over. Let's look at the monitor. You can see here that we have 1,600 watts charging the Bluetti and 800 watts powering the computer, and it will be all charged in about half an hour. Now it's time to kill the power. The power went out. Just kidding, we did that. But look, the computer stayed on. The UPS is working. Thanks to the Bluetti, it's plugged in and it's still working. Nothing is going to be lost. Thank goodness. So as you can see, because the power's out, there's no input. But the computer is using about 214 watts. And for this, I can still work on my computer for almost 9 hours. That is incredible. That's only at 86% charge. Now, if you're using a Bluetti as your UPS, it's always going to be at 100% charge because it's always plugged in and therefore always ready to go. And then it will last longer than 9 hours and you'll never lose your work or your information on your computer. That is worth its weight in gold. The 1,440 watt charging is fast, reaching 80% in just 1 hour. It has a lithium iron phosphate battery with over 4,000 life cycles, built to last over 10 years, even with daily use. And don't be worried about a high electricity bill. Doesn't exist with the fridge power. Its low standby draw allows it to be plugged in and stays asleep until it's needed. No waste electricity. Pretty clever. The fridge power was built to be a buddy to your fridge and freezers. With its slick design, able to hide on top and flat shape, the fridge power is the ideal unit for convenience. And there we go. You can place it on top of your fridge or freezer for its new permanent home. It has a high capacity of about 2,000 watt hours with an ultra-low 4 watt standby power. The main unit with the extra battery, 4,000 watt hours. Wow! It can run your fridge continuously for up to about 7 days. It has an output of 1,800 watts with a 3,600 watt surge peak, making it easy to handle high power loads. Need an extra? You can stack it on top of each other. Can't stack it on top because if you have a fridge or freezer with no space? It has an easy to set up wall mount. A plus, no more tripping on power stations or lugging around. Let's not forget its pure sine wave, specifically designed for your fridges and freezers. The fridge power is the easiest way to ensure your food and medicine won't be ruined. So we know the fridge power saves you money, keeps food and medicine from spoiling, doesn't need to be set up when the power goes out, sends you reassuring notifications if it's working properly, has a brilliant flat and convenient design, is perfect for not tripping its users, doesn't raise your electricity bill, and won't fail or overheat. So what if you don't always want to use it to keep your food cold? Easy. You don't need to keep it just for your fridge or freezer. It's a fully featured power station. It's built to handle heavy-duty scenarios, and with its high power, it's able to handle all kinds of appliances in your house. For example, it works just as smoothly for your coffee maker, which I always appreciate as a coffee drinker, or all of your hot beverage devices, including an espresso machine, or a hot water kettle, or your coffee maker. The Fridge Power can take care of all of them. Let me show you. We'll start with our coffee maker. Cup of coffee, anyone? Off it goes, and it's using about 1,000 watts. That's fantastic, and it can go for over an hour. Oh yeah, that's a lot of coffee. Or perhaps you're a tea person. That's why we have our handy-dandy hot water kettle. This needs more power, about 1,500 watts, but it can still boil water for over an hour. Perfect for all you tea drinkers. Now, the best of them all. Let's make a latte. This machine is my favorite. Whoa though, 1,500 watts. But it can still go for over an hour. That's a lot of lattes. Yay, Bluetti, thank you for my latte. How about a big air fryer toaster oven? In standby mode, it still takes power. But the Bluetti says 0 watts. That's impressive. Hot day in the kitchen before we fry up some food? Let's turn on a fan. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh, only 37 watts. That's nothing. I can keep this fan on for over 34 hours. That is cool. Time to make some chicken nuggies. Turn it on. Bleep bloop. And how much power? 1,700 watts. A price well paid for chicken nuggies. They can do this for almost an hour. Bluetti, perfect for my kitchen and my chicken nugget needs. It can be used for a CPAP machine and an air conditioner. Something incredibly helpful for keeping healthy and keeping cool during the hot summer. This portable air conditioner works great. Thanks to our Bluetti, let me show you how it keeps it cool. First, let's turn on the power. Bloop bling. Let's first switch it to fan mode. And our fan is on low. Perfect. In this mode, only 168 watts. That's nothing. Over 8 hours with this fan. Ooh, let's try high fan mode. Bloop. When I turn it to high, it goes up to 181 watts. That's not much more. Still about 8 hours. Ooh, air conditioning time. Let's turn it to cool. Bling, 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 bling. Ah, but the air conditioner uses a lot more power. About 870 watts. And it can do this for almost 2 hours. Or how about dry? It works as a dehumidifier. And since the dehumidifier uses the same compressor, it's about the same. 870 watts. And back to air conditioning. Since it can go for almost 2 hours, I can set the timer on my AC unit for 1 hour, so it doesn't use up all my power. Everyone can appreciate an easy setup too. The display of this unit is easy to read, and plugging it in your devices is done in only a couple steps. What more could you ask for? The Fridge Power was designed to aid your fridge and freezer. However, it was also created to aid you in many other important factors in your life. That right there is money well spent. Without a doubt, I love our Bluetti Fridge Power Station for all the reasons mentioned. I believe having a unit specifically designed for your fridge and freezers is the best route to go when crap hits the fan. Thank you, Bluetti, for the chance to review this product. We love it. If you want to pick up one of these units, check out the link in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!